Alright guys, so we made it to the outskirts of Bogota. Yes, we traveled to Bogota for the end of the year. We're about an hour and 20 minutes from Bogota in a small town called Facatativá. And here in Facatativá, they have this beautiful park. Here's the name of that park. And it's just awesome to finish off the year, reconnecting with nature, fresh air. The views are amazing. You know what? Let me just take you up to the sky so you can enjoy the views of this amazing park here in Colombia. Oh, by the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Milo and I do travel lifestyle vlogs, and once in a while I like to disconnect, break away from everything and just enjoy life, enjoy nature, and that's pretty much what I share here in my channel. So welcome, let's go. The cool thing about the park is that the park also is an archaeological park. So you're gonna find different statues, and also you're going to find paintings on the rocks, which is why the park is famous, is because of the rock formations. And actually one of the archaeological pieces that have been found here in the park is right behind me. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this quick vlog from Colombia, end of the year. So happy new year to all of you guys. And again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, activate the bell so you guys get notified when all my videos come out. By the way, we're so close to reaching our first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. And I guess with that, from Colombia, I'll see you guys in the next video.